morning, good people. How are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. By the way, I'm packing, like I'm supposed to leave the house like now. Today we are going to a place that I've never been before, and that's some side of Kenya, like on the other side of Kenya. Yes, I'll take you along. So I just want to leave the house, and trust me guys, like this is the first time I'm traveling light, and I feel like it's a lot of work to pack light. I really tried today, like I'm only carrying one bag, and then I'm also carrying this, as in like this is my hand, whatever, but I have one bag, which is, oh my god, like it's something that I never do. Like I never travel light like the way I did. The packing was so hard. Like I spend a lot of time packing than when I pack. When I'm traveling heavy, I usually spend less time packing because, you know, you just bring everything. But this one was so different. So anyway guys, let's just go because I don't want to run late. Talk to you soon.
Been on the streets a few months. I'm trying to pick myself up. I may be living alone, but I still believe in love. And although my flaws had dragged me down on the coldest night, I'm still kicking around. And then I saw you back before my time was shortened. No.
Finally, I'm in Kisumu. No, sorry, not Kisumu. I'm at a place called Katito. I think anytime someone travel to this other side, they always say they are going to Kisumu. No, but this place is called Katito. It's along, I would lie to say that I know the road, I don't know. And finally I'm here. We went through the longest route. Oh my god, like that journey was the longest I've ever had. Oh my god, it was just so long. But yeah, I'm glad I'm finally here. I'll explain after shower because I've just gotten here right now. I'll explain after shower why I'm here and where I am, like where this Katito, like I mean the hotel that I'm in right now. And it's actually called Plainsview Resort. Yeah, I'll give you details after I shower, but for now I'm just gonna take you through a quick room tour because it's been a minute since I did those, and I'll also tell you the reason why I'm this side. Yes, the reason why I'm here and I'm going to spend the night here. That's the door, that's the entrance door. Yes, there's that bulb up there, and there's a mirror right there, and you can see the bed and myself. Yeah, that's going to be my bed for tonight. That's the bed. It's such a big room, by the way, very big. And I'll come, of course I said I'll tell you the reason why I'm here. There's a curtain here, so meaning I can actually open it. There's a window there. Yep. And then I have my robes right there, and then of course my bags are in there already. I know the lighting is not helping, but hey, yeah, there my bags are there. Let me show you the bathroom quickly. Of course this is the first time I'm going in, like I didn't come in here, like I've not seen how it is, so we shall see together. So I think the only thing missing here is the mirror for somewhere. I think it's still new, so they're still fixing it. I'll just bring my stuff here quickly. Of course, you know how we do it. Then that's the toilet. The tissue is right there. You'll find the, how do they usually call this? But anyway, the shower place. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a kid. I like this bathtub because of this. It's very spongy, and you can actually just rest. You put your head over there and just, you know, and then that's how it looks like. So this is the bathroom. I love it. That's that. So this side, these guys are the lady I spoke to. She was going to bring the table for here. So this side there is that table, and it's a side of entertainment. You can actually read. I was journaling yesterday night, and that's the telly. There's the remote there. You can also eat from here, and that's the window. They have big windows over there, and just next to the window there's that door, and it takes you to this balcony. There's a balcony out here, so you can just sit and watch especially in the evening, the sunset, you know. Sun goes down. Yep, there. So this is how the room looks like from this angle. Yep. And there's that mirror over there, and I feel like there's still more. There's a lot of space here, so I'm sure they might fix something over there. So yeah, Then yeah, that's it. That's how my room looked like. I hope it was a quick one. I just hope I was able to give you a quick room tour. And I'm going to take my shower now. We can meet later when I'm done with the shower. And yeah, because I also need to go and eat, but it's not that late. I think it's around 5 something, not yet 6. But yeah, good people, I'm done with my showering. Like, I feel so fresh right now, and I need to go eat, like just order for something and eat. I don't know what they have on their menu, but how I go to this hotel is through a client who owns the place. Okay, so the main reason why I'm here is because of my sister. I'm supposed to go for academic meeting in my sister's school, my younger sister's school, and yeah, I'd missed her, so I was just like, I just told my mom not to go, like I'll go. So the place is very, very far. Like, even if you say that you're going to come on that same day for the meeting, there's no way you can actually make it if you're coming from Nairobi. And the meeting is supposed to start at 8 a.m. in the morning. I want to keep time, definitely. So I decided to come on a Thursday, like just to spend my night here. And then now tomorrow, because from here to the school is about 15 minutes or less drive. So I was like, I mean, when I mentioned that I have a meeting here, to that client, like this side, and then the client was like, yeah, like I have a resort, you can go and wherever, stay at the place. I thank God for such people. Like, I thank God for bringing such people in my life. Like, there's always, things just work out somehow. Things just work out. The journey was so long. Like, it was really, really long. I was almost finishing the book that I'm reading. I think I'm only left with maybe 4 or 5 pages. And it's the book I was reading is Girl Stop Apologizing. I've read it for the longest time. I started another one, I left it there, and then I just needed to finish it. Yeah, but I've learned so much on that book. Like, I've learned so much today, like on that trip. Like, I was just reading and I'm just like, I wish I had my notebook to just write down stuff. But it's really nice, and I think I'll also read it after the dinner. I'll just come and eat and read, and then I'm seeing there are many messages on my WhatsApp from my friends, so I think I'll also respond to that when I come back. But this chick is tired. I'm so tired. I just need to go get some food and then come back to the room and just chill. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a kid pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no. Good morning, great people. It's another day, and I just wanna quickly, I've already showered, I've prepared, I'm ready to go to my sister's school, but I'm going to have breakfast first, and then I also want to show you around. And then let me tell you guys, I packed light, and something that I've realized is that anytime I travel, the things that make my luggage like put a lot of stuff is usually the toiletries, like how I usually pack it. But now this time round, I only packed one bag. Let me show you. I only came with this bag, and it was able to carry like everything, you can see. So my dressing table here is very, very tiny. Like, of course I carried this one. This was going to act as my lotion. Most of the time I usually come with the whole entire whatever, then what I just needed. And then on this side, this eyeshadow. Then instead of carrying the bigger wipes, I came with this small one. Then of course my Remis, I came with this one for shower, just in case. And then of course just the important things, foundation, So I carried this one, and then my fragrance is right inside here. So I just had to put what I'm going to need for this trip. Of course I could not do without the sunscreen. And also, I just needed, this is almost finished. So I was like, let me just carry it. Yeah, so that's how I ended up carrying like less stuff. And in fact, I need to just put them right back here quickly so that I can go for breakfast. Oh, and then my toothbrush and toothpaste. Yep. So that's one of the ways to pack light, I think. Yeah, even shoes, I only carried what I needed, but I ended up with 3 pairs of shoes. Yes, I'll show you another time. But my bag, just all this. Just this one and this. Can you imagine? So this is how the place looks like from the room. Yeah, but let me show you the room from here. That's the room. I was on the ground floor. There are some upstairs. Yep. So that's how the place looks like. And then the restaurant is that right on the other side. The restaurant.
The silence fades into the night. Coyotes sing at the moonlight. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Feel the wind touch our face. Let's take a spin to a foreign place. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape. Let's escape. Let's escape. Let's escape.
I'm done with breakfast. I'm only going to get my bags now. Yep, and this is how the place look like. The rooms. Yep. Oh, there's another side on the other. The gym is up there. And then we have a swimming pool at the far end. And then we have, I don't know what that is, that house on that far end. Then there's a garden over here.
Highways are calling our name. Now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape.
I hope this is how parents usually dress up when they're going to school to see their children, you know, their children, yes. My stay here is over. Just need to pick my bag. That is shopping for my sister. The cab guy is already here, and one thing that I've learned in life is that you need to keep you need to behave nicely to people. Like, you need to keep those relationships that really matter. So how I got this cab, I mean, this is a place I've never been here before. So I spoke to the school buzzer. That's now where my sister is in school. And then I was like, do you have any cab? Do you know of any cab guy around? And then he was able to organize for one for me. So I mean, the guy is already out there, and I'm glad. And also the way I got this place, like where I'm staying, where I stayed, like where I spent my entire night, yes, this place. It was through another person that, you know, is just talking to people nicely and always, you know, I don't know, but I thank God for that, because who thought I would stay in such a beautiful place next to my sister's school? I mean, not too far from where my sister's school is. Right now I'm gonna go, and I just hope that everything is gonna go well. Thank you so much for watching, good people. If you've gotten here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do. And if you like this particular video, thumbs up. And until next time, kisses to you.